Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the 0xd followed by several zeros in Windows Store on your Windows 10 device. So if you come across this error message, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully address it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Now on the right side underneath Get Up and Running, you want to scroll down until you find Windows Store Apps, Troubleshoot Problems that may prevent Windows Store Apps from working properly, and left click on that, and then select Run the Troubleshooter. So if it gives you any suggestions, I would recommend following along with anything you are prompted with on the screen, so just keep that in mind. So if you are signed out of your Microsoft account, you should sign in, otherwise you won't be able to access the Windows Store. At least that's the error in my case here, so just take that as you wish. Another thing you can try would be to reset the Windows Store. So if you open up the Start menu, type in WS Reset. Best match to go back to WS Reset here. Right click on it and then select Run as Administrator. Give it a moment to run here. Okay, so that should hopefully be able to open back up the Microsoft Store or Windows Store, and that should hopefully have been about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.